Hi, I'm Nick Olfert, and this is my bike check. This is my Fit Inman 1. It has custom 1664 rims on it, as you can see there. It has stolen Thermalite pedals. They're pretty okay, they're a little worn out. The Spank Green half-link chain, and Sub-Rosa sprocket. It's got the Colt diehard grips, and giant bars. My Fit one's bent, so this is my last option. Got a BMX Gallery sticker on it. It has a few BMX Gallery stickers on it. Not that bad. There's one there. There's a couple Colt stickers. It's pretty decent. It has the Federal seat. It's not that bad. Pivotal. And my sponsor actually just hooked me up with this clutch seat post, so you can check that out too. Everything on it's solid. It's really good. And if you need me to before you buy it, I'll give it a tune-up, take it in. And yeah, that's my bike check, guys. It's available on Pink Bike if you want to look it up. Thanks.